Cinnamomum cassia, commonly known as cassia cinnamon or Chinese cinnamon, is a spice obtained from the bark of an evergreen tree, belonging to the Lauraceae family, native to China and widely cultivated across Southeast Asia. Cassia cinnamon has been extensively used in traditional medicine for its potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and blood sugar regulating effects. The spice is typically harvested by peeling the bark during the rainy season, which is then dried and rolled into characteristic cinnamon sticks or ground into powder. Cinnamomum cassia contains numerous bioactive compounds. Cinnamaldehyde, responsible for its distinctive aroma and potent antimicrobial effects. Polyphenols, strong antioxidants providing protection against oxidative stress. Flavonoids, contribute significantly to anti-inflammatory properties. 5 key health benefits of Cinnamomum cassia. 1. Antioxidant activity. Cassia cinnamon is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and potentially preventing chronic diseases related to aging. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bioactive compounds, especially cinnamaldehyde, have notable anti-inflammatory effects, potentially providing relief for chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis and metabolic syndrome. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Cassia cinnamon is well known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing diabetes and metabolic disorders. 4. Antimicrobial effects. Cinnamaldehyde exhibits strong antimicrobial properties against various bacterial and fungal pathogens, aiding in infection prevention and management. 5. Cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of cassia cinnamon may help improve lipid profiles, reduce cholesterol levels, and support cardiovascular health by decreasing inflammation and oxidative stress. In traditional medicine, Cinnamomum cassia is used to enhance circulation, alleviate digestive issues, manage diabetes, and provide relief from joint pain and stiffness. Typically, it is consumed as tea, used in cooking, or applied topically in medicinal oils. Recommended cinnamon usage. Powder. Consume 1-6 grams of cinnamon powder daily, mixed into foods or beverages. Tea. Steep cinnamon sticks or powder in hot water for 5-10 minutes and consume daily. Topical applications. Cinnamon-infused oils or creams applied to relieve muscle and joint pain. Safety precautions and possible side effects. Pregnancy and lactation. Moderate culinary use is safe. Medicinal doses require consultation. Coumarin content. Cassia cinnamon contains coumarin. Excessive intake may cause liver toxicity. Limit long-term use and adhere to recommended dosages. Drug interactions. Potential interactions with anticoagulants and anti-diabetic medications. Frequently asked questions. What is Cinnamomum cassia used for? Primarily for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, blood sugar regulation, antimicrobial, and cardiovascular health benefits. Is Cinnamomum cassia safe during pregnancy? Safe in culinary amounts. Medicinal dosages require medical consultation. How is Cinnamomum cassia consumed? As powder, teas, in cooking, or topical applications. Are there side effects from Cinnamomum cassia? Generally safe. Excessive use may lead to liver toxicity due to coumarin.
Rediscover the joy of movement with Naturem Joints Plus.
This exceptional natural supplement is designed to support your joint health and enhance your active lifestyle. With its unique blend of powerful ingredients, Naturem Joints Plus addresses joint discomfort at its core, ensuring long-lasting flexibility and ease. Whether you're pushing your limits in sports or seeking relief from daily joint stress, Naturem Joints Plus is your partner in achieving comfort and confidence. Embrace a life of movement and vitality today.
At the heart of Naturem Joints Plus are scientifically backed key components that work synergistically to support your joints.
Collagen peptide enhances bone density, repairs cartilage, reduces inflammation and pain, and improves joint elasticity and lubrication, effectively supporting joint health.
Clanacanthus nutans. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, this plant extract may help reduce swelling and promote skin and tissue healing, contributing to overall wellness.
Drinaria fortunei, a traditional herbal ingredient that supports bone health and aids in the repair of damaged tissues, helping to strengthen joints and improve mobility.
Rhizoma homalomina promotes circulation and supports joint flexibility, while also possessing anti-inflammatory properties that may alleviate discomfort and enhance physical resilience.
Tinospora sinensis supports immune function and reduces inflammation, offering protective effects for connective tissues and joints, while promoting recovery and vitality.
Designed for daily use, Naturem Joints Plus is easy to incorporate into your routine.
As with any dietary supplement, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before use, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications.
With Naturem Joints Plus, you can take a proactive step toward maintaining strong, healthy joints and enjoying the freedom of pain-free movement. Empower your body with the natural support it deserves.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.